Nicole Roberto Abilino National High School graduation, worst nightmare for the students. Pinatupad ng school principal ang program support ng mga graduate. Full freedom pahayag ng school principal. Pakinggan natin ng mabuti.
Good morning. I want everything to be in order and its proper place. This activity, the graduation, should be in uniform and with your sablay. That's all. So please, if you are doing something against the rules of the law, paki, because this will continue as in the authority prescribed. Have already taken your pictures and I have already documented everything. Let us not make the rule of the law run over this activity because this is the activity of the Department of Education. Thank you for your obedience. So, just take off your toga because it is not prescribed as your uniform for graduation. Okay? Door, sablay. That's all. Okay? Look! I am calling police for you.
Magpapatawag po siya ng police kung hindi sila sa office.
This is it. We are training our learners to be disciplined and obedient to authority. What are we giving them? What kind of practice and what kind of examples are we giving them? Disobedience to lawful authorities? Shall we start? I don't want to see anybody with your hats and your togas because it is not in the order. And I want the class advisors to write the names of those who violated the authority.
Dahil sa grabe na ang tensyon, gustong ipaglaban ng isang guro at ipaliwanag
The parents are ang patukan? No!
sa meeting yung nakaraan.
Mr. Marquez, you put yourselves into proper perspective. Return! This is the graduation ceremony. Mr. Security Guard, please come over.
Ngunit hindi nakinig ang school principal at pinagpatuloy ang diskusyon.
Mr. Marquez, I want to put this in proper perspective. Okay? down the names of those who violated what is prescribed and agreed to be done. I don't want our learners to be bastos.
ang mga estudyante.
With it, I acknowledge that all follow the rule. Okay, sit down. Sit down. You vehemently violated the rules. You have to put yourselves in proper perspective. Put yourselves in proper perspective. This is a graduation ceremony of the Department of Education. Put yourselves in proper perspective. This is not a rally. This is not an assembly of those who would like to have their interests over and above the law. Aba, the worst scenario ever in my entire career. It's clear and simple defiance. Ay pasalamat lang kita nakalumbros si Mr. Inopiques. Or else, is this the kind of culture we are showing? What kind of education did you receive in this institution? Of what? Of mob? Insubordinates? No hurry! You have no right to censor. And you have no right to destroy the graduation today. It's not a question kung anong gusto niyo, but this is a question of rule and order. If you do not know how to obey simple rules and order, then sayang. Gagraduate kayo with that kind of attitude? That reflects the kind of attitude you have in your homes. Not recognize the authority of your parents in your homes. The same is true here. Or through the incineration of some persons, that I want you to remember. This is the graduation described by the Department of Education. This is not a rally. This is not a mob. This is not a crowd. This is a graduation. You do not recognize, achieve the prescribed requirements of the Department of Education. And disobedience is not one of them. Class advices, list down the names of the students, okay? And we will deal one by one after their graduation. Actually, please hold the release of the diploma. They should be taking that in the office.
Bigay ng diploma kasi kukunin daw ng mga
That's
estudyante
an order.
ng personal sa
The original
opisina.
diploma should not be given. Maliwanag? Don't force me to do something that everybody will regret. Okay? So, take off the diploma that I signed in the diploma jacket because they will be getting that in the office one by one. Oh, angan?
Nagagya ang mga estudyante kaya naman may estudyante na sa lugar na hindi kaayo-ayo walang
What's the
salita
name?
sa school principal. Kaya nagyawan ng mga estudyante dahil sa pagbibigay sa
Right on the
siya
names.
sa kapwa estudyante.
Sino magkakagiting mo? Ha? Okay. Pakita mo ang school. Last advisors, try,
Kayo ang
not try,
tatanungin sino
but
ang nagkamali at
impose
tama ba ang
something
proseso
sa
ng
inyong
advance
kabataan.
facilitators
because that will reflect to you as class advisors.
Please
Okay.
follow, share, and react
Ay, okay.
and comment down
Yes, I will.
below.
Okay. Let them go out if you want. Okay.